Meet Sarah. She's a hardworking salesperson at Global Corp that has made customer satisfaction a key priority. She just sold their latest service to a new customer and has finished entering all the sales information into their CRM Salesforce. Luckily, Global Corp has Leankor, the all-in-one enterprise work management solution which manages tasks, projects, resources, and is a single point of collaboration for all aspects of customer project fulfillment. A new project is created within Leankor from a template, and all the work associated is tied back to that sales record so Sarah can keep an eye on the project as it gets worked on and completed. Meet Paul, project manager at Global Corp, who starts his day organizing and prioritizing by looking at the overall project Gantt chart that has embedded Kanban cards right in the activities. This hybrid view allows him to see the overall timeline, milestones, and dependencies of the project. At the same time, other teams can work on the project in a Kanban workflow method with their cards driving the Gantt activities. In Paul's personal workspace, Sarah's new customer needs some configuration specifications, which he uploads and marks completed in Chatter. Paul sees that the project is dependent on one of the engineering teams to get the first stage completed. To get more context on the work activity assigned, Paul clicks on the card in the activity, which opens up the engineering board and highlights the associated card to evaluate. Paul also notices that there are a lot of cards on this engineering team's board, which make him worry this project might be delayed. So Paul opens the resource management board and selects the work for Sarah's client, then easily drags and drops it to reassign this work to Rebecca, who has free cycles. Later, as Rebecca gets to the assigned work, she needs some clarification. So she sends Tony, her team lead, a message through Chatter. As Tony responds back, this critical project information remains tied to the project itself. Meanwhile, Bob, VP of Operations, is in an executive meeting. With Leankor's portfolio view and dashboard, Bob uses real-time visual representation of where all the customer projects are at in terms of completion percentages. Bob and his team can see the progress, as well as potential roadblocks in their invoicing life cycle. This data helps them make executive decisions to continue moving Global Corp forward. Later that week, Paul gets notified that all the tasks on Sarah's project have been completed. Paul confirms and checks the project, then marks his board 100% done. Sarah gets a message that the project is complete and is even done 2 weeks before the customer's initial deadline. She notifies the customer of the completion, and they respond with a request for additional services from Global Corp. Since implementing Leankor, Global Corp is seeing an increase in customer satisfaction. They have an increase in overall revenues because they're delivering projects faster and servicing more customers. Leankor Enterprise Work Management Solutions, helping companies outperform the competition while saving you valuable time and money. Call us today and see what Leankor can do for you.